So guys, next one is about the output, how we can get output with the JavaScript. There are four ways to get output with the JavaScript. First one is windows.alert. Windows.alert. I will explain you with this example here. We have a web page here, and when we click here, we get a message here, some kind of message. Here the message, God is great. We have a message here. This is the behavior. This is the Windows alert box we want to add. This is the way of output we want to learn. So we have a default HTML page here. Let's run this page. There is nothing in that. Only one button. There is no functionality added. I will explain you with the further. First run this one and see the output of this page. Click me. Nothing is happening. So this is the default HTML page, and I added a script, JavaScript file extension here. We will do coding in external file. It is here. Nothing is here. This is empty as well. So this file is added. It should be in the same folder. So uh, first of all, I'm going to add a on click one function here. It means when I click on the button, this function should be activated. What Where we define this function in script file? We defined this is the syntax of defining a function, and we are going to define this function. This is the way. This line we need to add this line, JavaScript line, to get the behavior, allowed behavior. What is line? Windows.alert, and any message, whatever the message you want to, it should be in the commas. So function is defined with this Windows alert. Okay, let's save everything and see, will it work? Now I will run in Chrome. Click me. You see this message appeared, God is great. So this is the one way we can get output in a JavaScript. Second one is document.write. It's very simple. Actually, it's an old style, nobody is using at the moment. And I will explain you this one with the example again. So example is that when I click here, we get some kind of output, that is 10 here. When I click, we get some output here. How it is we get this output? Just because of this line, document.write. So let's do with the example. So we have a default HTML page here where we have external script.js, which is empty now, but I will add something in that. Not empty, there is a function, but that is not defined. There is on click button, there is a function here, and that function has to be defined in script file. Function my function, this one here. So let's run this one. Oh, click me, nothing is happening. But when I define here function, let's say I define document dot write 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5. Let's run now. 5 plus 5, 10. Let's do 5 into 5. So what would be the answer? 25. Click me. 25. So 15 into 5. 75. See this. Document dot write is the way to get output.